Is your Samsung Galaxy running slower than usual? This often happens because of background apps, cached data buildup, or outdated software. No more worries. Here, I'm going to show you advanced tips to speed up your phone 10 times fast. So let's get started. Method 1. Turn off these settings. First, go to the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on the developer options. Make sure to turn it on. Here, you will find the stay awake option. Ensure to turn it off. Next, scroll down a little more. You will find the auto update system option. Make sure to turn it off also. And then again, scroll down. If you see the allow screen overlays on settings option is turned on, then turn it off as well. Now, scroll down once again. Find out the Don't Keep Activities option. Method 2. Uninstall unused apps. To do that, go to the settings, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Device Care. Find Storage. Then tap on it. Next, scroll down once. Then tap on the Unused app. Here, you will find your unused apps, and then tap on the Uninstall button from below. Tap Uninstall again to confirm. Now your Samsung Galaxy's phone's lagging or slow performance is fixed. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.